This is how it is when you're stuck in a tent and your kids are trying to destroy you.
No, and you don't want to apologize.
My glasses is being fixed, so I have to borrow my wife, so no judgment.
You look great.
It's time for summer camp and we're heading to Birds Hill. What do you think, Kavika? Kav, what do you think?
No.
Do you like your camp spot?
No.
Sit down and relax.
Yeah. Sit down. It's like a chillaxing. Chillaxing.
What do you think, Kalina?
He's chillaxing. I want to try.
Where's the door? Do you want the door yourself? Here. What?
Good. This one. Looks like some book.
Did you get it in, Kalina?
Do you guys need some help? No, it's all in. See? Let's get the other one. Oh, this one's not.
While the boys are securing the tent pegs, I'm getting the air mattress all filled up and ready to go. Did you get it in?
Yep. Like tight one.
Did you fix yours in?
Yep.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Nice. Before you know it, it was nightfall and time to get some good rest. We had a beautiful moonlight. And in a couple hours, we were back up again. Kalina is usually the first one to get up. He's our alarm clock, so we wait for him to kind of give us that nudge to wake up. Just like that, it's morning again and time to start rumbling around and see what the day has in store for us. The boys were super happy they finally got to use their sleeping bags and had their own little areas to sleep in. They've been planning and waiting and planning for this camping trip, so I'm happy it happened for them this summer. Axolotl made it, by the way, Karina's favorite stuffed toy, and he's in our midst right now. So yeah, he is a keeper. But by this time, Mom and Kavika are just turning and getting ready to get up. And with two active boys, you better be ready with lots of activities for the day. So we're going to try and figure out what's for breakfast and see what the other guys are up to. But before that, I think Kavika and Mom has their own plans to tell us stories.
Here you go, boom boom. Hop in the fan. In the fan. It's worst. The first time in camping lab.
The first time you went camping, you were small. How old was Kavika?
1. We moved the camp to
2.
yeah. How old was I?
Kalina was about 2. 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, sometimes they're kind of close.
Overlap.
Mm-hmm. And you boys were dirty. You were so dirty. You don't remember it?
I do. Because I look
No.
brown is the color of dirty.
You tell your story, Kat.
Once upon a time, there was a kite flying, and I was only 1 year old, and I was flying my kites. The trees were blowing, and then I went in a hot air balloon. with my papa, and then I went on this. And then I went on the beach with Mama and Bobo, and then I went to climb the trees with the spiky bugs. The end.
Good story.
Spicy bugs.
What name did they put in this story?
Speed train. You're always gonna be in the story. Since you're in my family, you can. Can everybody please sit down? I'm getting squished.
Kavikan is a family hug, guys. Kavikan is a group hug.
I want to show you something. Bo. I want to show you something. No. That's a venomous snake. That is a rattlesnake made this painful bite.
Yes.
Hashtag venom, double vision, stomach pain,
No, headache.
headache,
Vomiting.
vomiting, double vision, stomach pain.
Very good in your words, Colleen. A mosquito.
You can slap it on the tongue.
What am I saying?
He said that the thing wasn't gonna be good, and it turned out good. Say, honey, I'm sorry. Wow, this is good.
Honey, a snorri.
Say, wow, this is good, honey. Apologize to me. Apologize to me. Apologize to me. Say it.
This is how it is when you're stuck in a tent and your kids are trying to destroy you.
No, and you don't want to apologize. Tell me you're sorry.
Honey, you were right.
What's that all about?
Your mom thought I did something wrong.
No, it's not. Please tell them the right thing. Not I thought you did something wrong. Say, boys, I did something wrong.
Boys, I did something wrong.
See, he's not trying to say the word wrong. He's trying to say funny words because he doesn't want to say the right thing. He's holding it back in his body, and it's not right.
Boys, I did something wrong.
They're loud. This is a campsite. They are too loud.
Luckily, I got a chance to slip away for a few minutes of solitude before the day gets revved up.
We need another eye, set of eye.
Bye, guys.
The forest camping is so much fun.
Yeah, I agree.
I agree. And you were bleeding, and you had to go to the doctor. You couldn't even feel it. And then when you woke up from the dream, you saw. And you were crying. Imagine you flying cars in the stars. What would that look like, you guys? Look at that, super sharp. Yes. And it's all on glass. Papa, I'm gonna. Oh, I will.
And to think that our camping trip almost never happened. I'm so happy we did it. It was so much fun. I know the boys will have such lasting memories of these moments. And it was really good being back in nature again and just being with the trees and outdoors. Can't wait till next year. See you next time, Birds Hill.